How to post new job update on LinkedIn. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can post new job update on LinkedIn. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is really simple. First, open up your LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, what you'll need to do is make sure that you're logged in, as I said before, and then you'll have to simply create a post. To do that, you can head over to your profile. So let's head over to our profile first. And on our profile, you'll see an option where you can create a post. So let's scroll down, and there you'll see create a post option. Simply tap on this pen icon. Let me just tap on create post. And here, what I can do is simply check for a new position. So tap on this plus icon right here and tap on celebrate. After you tap on celebrate, you can simply select new position. Now you can add a photo if you want. I'll just select one from here and tap on next. Now, after you tap on next, here you can type in the details for your new post. So you can write what you are working as, what your position is, what company, and stuff like that, and then tap on post. After doing that, you have posted new job update on LinkedIn, and it's basically that simple. So there you can see there, that is the post right there. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.